Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, basically I wanted to show you guys that I was able to actually get um, Android 9 Pie on my Nexus 7 tablet. The last time that I did a video about custom ROM on the Nexus 7 2013 model, I told you guys that you had to basically partition the system storage in order for Android 9 Pie to get on there. And I found a pretty simple, easy method to do that, which allowed me to basically then install LiquidRemix, which is the custom ROM that I'm using. So as you guys can see, Nexus 7 2013, Android 9 Pie basically. When I click on that, you can see Android version 9 with the June 5th security patch. Boom. Okay, and this is the Nexus 7 2013. So pretty cool that I was able to get it installed on here. Now LiquidRemix is in my opinion a pretty decent ROM. There's a lot of customizations you could do with it. Obviously one of the main things I like about it is the fact that you could have, hey, what's up Grant S, by the way. I just Twitter notification. But yeah, you can have a dark theme and like an actual dark theme, like completely blacked out. I believe they disabled the NFC on here just because it was causing battery drain. So they disabled that. That's not an option that you could actually use with the Nexus 7. But I don't really use the NFC on this tablet. I just use it for basically media and reading and things like that, and social media as well, and some gaming here and there. It is still rooted. I did root it with Magisk, and I do have Magisk Manager to hide root from certain apps that would look for root. So I do have it hidden. And yeah, this basic stuff on here. I use the smallest G apps only because of the fact that the ROM size and the system, basically how much of the system it will take, is pretty large. Larger than what the Nexus 7 actually is supposed to be able to handle. So using that, the repartitioning zip file and flash that through twerp, was able to create enough space to flash G apps, which I use Pico, which is the smallest form of G apps, bare bones, bare minimum, no Google apps except for like the frameworks and stuff like that, and then the Play Store, but no other Google bloatware. I had to download every Google app that you see here. I downloaded from the Play Store after I was able to get this ROM booted. And yeah, so another cool thing that I do like about it is has its own custom wallpapers. All of them basically say, like LiquidRemix and whatnot. So you just get various different ones. I think this one's pretty cool here. But you have those. Everything's pretty much of 9, as you guys can see. I do have that little pill box right there. Little pill button at the bottom, back button and whatnot. And you can switch between apps very simply like that. It does have the Google feed. So to the left for that. It's actually pretty darn good. In my opinion, it is. So let me launch news here. And it's actually made the tablet run a hell of a lot smoother. So that's just, to me, that's just smoother than what it was before. It's not buttery smooth. Obviously, very old processor. I believe it's the Snapdragon S4 Pro. That's a pretty old processing chip, but for it to even run this smooth with such an outdated processing chip is just phenomenal. Tells you how far developers go. So shout outs to the developers who put this ROM together on XDA. Head over there and give them a shout. Let them know what's up, because yeah, this is amazing. Very, very good. Lots of, like I said, lots of customizations, and you can customize the accent. So a lot of the things that's going to be present in Android Q, that's going to be in stock Android, you can do here. So you can change the accent colors. You can change the notification trays, icons, and like the design of them, teardrop, circle. You can do all that stuff. So it's has a massive amount of customizations. And another thing that's actually pretty cool too is the battery life itself. Battery has actually been like tremendously good. It's doubled the amount of what it was on stock 6.0.1 Marshmallow. And so I can pretty much get a day and a half on a single charge before I'd have to charge it again. I'm not sure. Let me just set this down on my wireless charging pad, see if wireless charging is still an option but I don't think it is since, oh, actually it is. Yes. I see. Yes. So you may not have like NFC to transfer files or things like that, but wireless charging still works with the Nexus 7 2013. Anyways, guys, that's just pretty much my quick overview of LiquidRemix Android 9 Pie for the Nexus 7 2013 edition. Just kind of give you guys an idea. If you want, let's see, maybe I'll go ahead and type up a blog by Blogger, just giving you guys step by step of what I did. But just in a nutshell, real quick, guys, just the way that you would do it. You download the LiquidRemix ROM from XDA, and you would download GApps. Go with the smallest version of it, so you'd select ARM. So it's not ARM 64, it's not 86 times. It's just basically ARM. Go with that. And Android 9, and you want to go with Pico, which is the smallest package for GApps. And what you'll do is when you get when you boot into Twerp, you will wipe factory reset, you will wipe Dalvik cache, and then you will flash the ROM itself, LiquidRemix. Once the ROM is done installing, you'll reboot to system, let the ROM boot up, and once it's fully booted up, then boot back into recovery, and then there's a system partition zip. You'll flash that first, then you'll flash GApps right after that, and then Magisk for root, and then reboot to system, and voila, it will work. I'll find the link to the page, and it'll have all the download links from XDA, so you guys can follow along if you guys have this tablet and you guys want to do this. It's actually pretty cool. Like I said, Android 9 Pie on my Nexus 7 2013. That's pretty awesome. Keeping life on old tech is one of my favorite things. So there you have it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like to let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and the bell option to be notified when I upload a video. And that's it for now, guys. As always, aloha.